Hello students, I am Dr. Renu Kohli, Associate Professor in Zoology at Government Bangalore College, Pali. Today in ecology, we will study air pollution. What is air pollution? We all have to breathe to live, but the air we breathe is polluted both outdoors and indoors. Air pollution refers to the release of pollutant into the air that are detrimental to human health and the planet as a whole. Combustion of fossil fuel and other fuel releases carbon dioxide. This contributes to the greenhouse effect and leads to the global warming. It also releases sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, which can cause acid rain. Currently in India, air pollution has drastically increased. This is because of the increased number of vehicles in the city and burning of fuels. Air pollution is not the same anywhere. Different pollutants are released into the atmosphere from a wide range of sources, including industry, transport, agriculture, waste management, and household. Certain air pollutants are also released from the natural sources. Natural events includes forest fires, volcanic eruption, wind erosion, pollen dispersal, evaporation of organic compound, and natural radioactivity. What are primary and secondary air pollutant? A primary air pollutant is an air pollutant emitted directly from a source into the atmosphere. A secondary pollutant is not directly emitted as such but forms when other pollutant, other primary pollutant react in the atmosphere. Example of a secondary pollutant include ozone, which is formed when hydrocarbon and nitrogen oxide combines in the presence of sunlight. NO2, which is formed as nitrogen oxide combines with oxygen in the air, and acid rain, which is formed when sulfur dioxide or nitrogen oxide react with water. This chart shows effect of the air pollution and the main pollutant in the air. Now, what are the effect of air pollution? The effect of air pollution vary based on the pollutant. The hazardous effects of air pollution on the environment include health effect. Air pollution has linked to the higher rates of cancer, heart disease, and respiratory disease such as asthma, pneumonia, etc. Children living near polluted area are more prone to pneumonia and asthma. Many people die every year due to the direct or indirect effect of air pollution. Global warming. Due to the emission of greenhouse gases, there is imbalance in the gaseous composition of the air. This has led to increase in temperature of the earth. The increase in earth's temperature is known as global warming. This has resulted in the melting of glaciers and an increase in the sea level. Many areas are submerged underwater. Acid rain. The burning of fossil fuels releases harmful gases such as nitrogen oxides and sulfur oxide in the air. The water droplets combine with these pollutants, becoming acidic and fall as acid rain, which damages human, animal, and plant life. Ozone layer depletion. The release of some air pollutant can create poisonous gases such as chlorohydrocarbon, halogens, and hydrochlorocarbons in the atmosphere, and it is the main cause of depletion of ozone layer. The depleting ozone layer does not prevent the harmful ultraviolet rays coming from the sun and causes skin disease and eye problem among individuals. Effect on wildlife. The air pollutant suspended on the water bodies affect the aquatic life. Pollution also compel the animal to leave their habitat and shift to the new place. This renders them stray and has led to the extinction of large number of animal species. Thank you. Thank you.